hello friend, very warm welcome to our JIT classes. So today I will tell you about this step because this step is very important for all of you. You need to know about this step while learning English. So I have written on the board, don't do this mistake while learning English. Okay, so you should always keep it in mind that is the most important steps I am going to tell you about learning English, right? So my first step is that I am going to tell you about view yourself, right? When you will know about yourself like that, I am going to give you an mini example like that. If you know yourself like that, people are there, okay, if they want to speak with you, so at that moment what you will see, you can just inferiority complex comes in your mind, okay, because of that you don't want to speak at that particular time, okay. But don't do this mistake. If anybody is there with you, no matter what, okay, you should just speak, whether it is right or wrong, only you should speak, because you know when you will speak, then you will come to know about those steps, those scenario, what do you want to say with another person, right? So first of all, you need to know yourself, where you are, at what level you are. When you will come to know these things, so everywhere you will go there where you will never defeat to yourself, only you got that champion of those things, right? So this is the point number first I had told you about view yourself, okay. So let's move on to the next one that we have, speak with confidence. So people are doing this mistake day by day. They know everything, they have lot of knowledge, they have lot of an idea to want to express anything, but when it's come up speaking face to face conversation, they don't want to do, because and I have seen on the WhatsApp video call and Skype and Zoom meeting, Google Meet, I met many people during the lockdown. So I have seen big change. They don't want to speak with me, only they want to just and hide the face, they don't want to speak, only the audio mute. So they want to just speak, they want to just and listen. Why they don't want to show the face, right? This is the big mistake. If we want to and speak with confidence, to make face to face conversation with anyone, right? So this is the point we should always need to know. When you will speak in front of with anyone, so that person will always tell you have the confidence, you can do better for a country. And you know, if you have believe in your mind, so definitely you will do something better for our country, right? So the most valuable thing, you can make a mistake, you can't learn anything from being perfect, right? So let's move on to the next one that we have, speak as much as you can, right? So people are asking day by day, and how much time should I spend on this? More than 1 month, 2 months, or here after 6 months, 1 year, okay, it doesn't matter. If you are not perfect, so you should just speak, and you should speak, you should learn from other people. If anybody who will tell you about this mistake, so you can learn it from your mistake, and you can just accept those mistakes what you have done in past. You should just rely what you have learned, okay. So this is the most important, you should just speak, because you have the ability to improve yourself. When you will improve yourself, you can do something better for our country, and to be honest, one day this country people will proud on you, okay. So you should speak, and you should use different type of word, and improve your vocabulary, improve your reading section, listening sections, as I told you in the previous video. And if you have watched those videos, that would be better, otherwise no problem at all, okay. And you should just keep it up, and while learning English, while doing something, you should just listen, and you should do and something better for our country, okay. So let's move on to the next one that we have, point number 4, practice is the key to success, okay. If let's suppose if you are driving a car, so at that moment in initial state what you will see, you don't know anything else about the car, okay. But when you will speak, when you will do something, and then you can get lot of things, okay. But you should just, if you wanna become the good driver, so you should just practice more than that, more than 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you should practice of spoken English, right? So as I said to you, okay, you have to just speak, because you know practice is the key to success, right? So when you will practice, then you will come to know so many things, right? If you want to do something, if you want to get something, if you want to write something, so when you will write, so your mind will more command on this area. Okay, so if you want to improve your writing section, so you should just write even in 1 page, 2 page, single day, and then you should just and check with another person, that person have the accuracy, if they have the good knowledge of English, so you can tell them, uncle, you can see my copy, if I have done this mistakes, so you can just tell me about my mistake, where I have done this mistake. Okay, so practice is the key to success. When you will do practice, then you got the accomplishment one day. Okay, so these are the things which was there about the practice is the key to success. And next we have never give up. So if we are learning English, if anybody who will tell you, who want to demotivate you, never distract with that person, because you know surrounding to you so many people are there. Okay, someone they want to give you a negative thoughts, someone want to give you a positive thoughts, so you should just and listen of yourself, because your heart is saying just listen yourself and do something better for our people, for our family member. And when you will do something better, so that people who want to just demotivate you, they will always appreciate you. Okay, so you should never give up, you should never give up, you should just keep it up your work until then become your best. So I am going to end this session over here, so I will be come back very soon with interesting topic. Until then, keep it up and spread your love on this channel. So I will back very soon. Till the time, bye bye, have a great day ahead, see you next time.